How to change default download location on Windows. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about changing the default download location in your Windows 10 or 11. So now let's get started. So changing the location can help you manage your storage space better, especially if your main drive has limited space. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open your file. Then in the left sidebar, click on the Home tab. There you will see the option of Downloads under the Quick Access. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now in the Download Properties window, click on Location, that is above the General option. Here you will see the current download location. Now to change it, click on the Move button and then find and select the new folder that you want to use for downloads. And then click on Select Folder and confirm by saying yes, and all your files will be moved from the old download folders to the new one. So that's it. You've successfully changed the default download location in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.